Alright guys, this is going to be a quick video. We'll use this car right here. It's easier to see the wiper blades. This will get rid of the streaking. I don't know if you can see that or not. Some streaking on the window right here, and then on the other side. This is a basic repair on how to restore these wiper blades. They get a lot of grime and stuff on them. They'll start streaking, or you'll get chatter where it just pretty much just across the windshield like that when you do it. You'll hear all that screeching noise. These wiper blades are good. What you want to do is make sure there's no tears, rips, or anything. If it's torn off or falling apart, you want to get rid of it. You don't want to reuse the wiper blades, but for the most part, the wiper blades are always good. It takes a while for them to fall apart. So I'm going to show you how to clean them up real quick and restore them. You're going to need I'm going to use a white washcloth so you can see the grime and stuff that comes off, and then you can get a small bottle of WD-40 if you don't have any at the house, or any penetrating oil, and some water to clean the window real quick. You want to get a lot of the dirt off, whatever you can, by hand. And we'll go ahead and get this started. It takes only a few minutes, if that. We're going to clean those up real quick, and let me show you. So first you want to get your cleaning. You can use Windex, whatever you want. I'm just going to use water and a rag to get some of this grime off the window, because you're picking up a lot of road debris, rubber from tires, tar, all kinds of crap out there on the road that gets kicked up and caked on your windshield. So what you want to do is just try to put some pressure on there and scrape that stuff off. That's what ruins your wiper blades. Dry it down a little bit. I'm only going to do this side right now for the video, and I'll show you one wiper blade, and you can go ahead and get to restoring your blades. This will work on semi-trucks, cars, boats, rear wiper blades, any wiper blade application. It's the same thing. You do not want to spray this directly on the wiper blades. You do not want to get this on the window. So what you're going to do is get it away from your vehicle, whatever you're putting it on. Saturate the rag like that. And you can go back to this rag, and you're going to want to wipe the current dirt off of there. Get whatever dirt you can off of them. Just rub them down real quick, no special way, just rub them down, get the dirt off. You see there's some dirt on there. It's all black, got that. And now I'm going to use a white washcloth, and you'll be able to see the difference on this. And you can see on the edges here where it starts to turn a dark black. That's the oil getting back into the rubber. That restores the rubber, the penetrating oil. And you can see that from right there. You're taking off a layer of this rubber, and that'll smooth out your wiper blades. You do not want to use your wiper blades for at least 10-15 minutes while this oil's on there, until it gets all soaked up into it. Just wipe it down really good, wipe the blades directly. Make sure you get all that grime off of there and get the oil back into the rubber. That's usually the biggest cause of it doing what it's doing, is because it's dried out and it's got grime stuck to it. There's a little bit left on there, that's good. So I'm gonna go to this side, do the same thing. This is still wet, so get the dirt off of it. Dust, other crap off of it real quick, and then I'm going to hit it with this oil, just like the other side. Back and forth, get your oil in there, both sides. Get the grime off and get the oil back into the rubber and restore the wiper blade. It's that simple. These wiper blades are pretty expensive. They're about $30 to $40, somewhere up to $50 a piece. And there's no sense of keep repurchasing wiper blades when this is all it takes. And then I'll just let them sit up here and dry for 10 minutes, and then that's pretty much it.